Hey, hey, hey!
Hey, guys!
We are walking my puppy.
Puppy. Puppy, it's like the...
Alice! Yeah, so,
She's
but we're
not
gonna
a
go
puppy.
to aviation
Museum.
celebration.
Yay!
And we're gonna see...
Old planes and crazy...
They're gonna make tricks.
Yeah, crazy tricks.
Yeah, so we're gonna film some of them. And also, we're going to the city celebration, 812.
Yay!
Okay, we are at the airport. That's currently just a private airport, but this used to be one of the hubs here in Latvia for airplanes. You can see Soviet Union symbols all over the building, on the windows and stuff. And it has not been restored, but it's just been open to public to go inside and see Aviation Museum right now. And yeah, this is our friend that we know. He made this thing. He's currently giving an interview to a television, so yeah, this is pretty impressive. There's the jet for this machine. You see, this airport looks like a train station in some places. And you can see Latvian USSR flags being held and Riga in the background. Okay, here's the schedule for flights on the 1st of April in 1989. It flies all over Soviet Union. From Kiev to Novosibirsk to Sochi and even Tallinn, Tashkent, Tbilisi, and also Leningrad, which is now St. Petersburg. This is Izaya Wicked going to the airport, the actual place where you board the planes. And there's a helicopter. Now this acts like a private airport, so for planes and helicopters and such. This is kukuruznik, also known as cornfield jet. It kind of brought water and such to the cornfields. Okay, here's one of the planes. There's a whole bunch of them. And going forward, there, on the opposite side. We are at the airport now, waiting for someone to take off and show us some cool tricks.
Yeah, I want to say that. It's amazing!
We're actually on a, what is it called in English, a runway?
Yeah.
Yeah, where planes take off usually, but they're taking off from some different angle. Oh, there's a plane out. I'll show you. He's the best pilot in Germany. Wow. He just turned off the jet. I totally want to do that. Going upside down again. Looks like a toy. Flying. A Russian pilot. Svetlana Kapanina. She has this cool zebra airplane.
Одна из лучших здесь.
Пилот и штурман. Бачишь, какая они оттуда взлетают.
Это
Даже
женщина.
посмотри, ну да.
Там в основном мужики, а вот эта женщина и что?
Одна женщина.
Смотри, как красиво. Еще музыка файна. Даже лучше, поверь. На Риге наехал файна.
Дай мне немножко.
Вот. Они интересно рассказывают, что поедем на ретро.
Šī nāves cilpa māja. Who's a dog?
We are inside the helicopter. It's like our army helicopter. They use it basically for saving people's or other stuff, not for war.
Army
Yeah,
helicopter.
but I could use it for a war also. Put like weapons inside or whatever. I don't know. Then just.
This helicopter uses 800 liters of gas an hour. This is freaking nuts. There's how they communicate with the land. Okay. Are you gonna save someone? Okay, this machine was in Soviet times. It was like 1, 2, or 3 kopecks. You could just grab a cup that's in there, push the button, and drink it and put it back. And you would rinse it a little bit, and the next person would drink it. So basically, there's no sanitary way to clean it. You just drink from everyone else's cup and hope you don't get sick. Okay, this is the airport entrance from the other side. You can't see shit because it's too bright. But it's also an aviation museum. We'll go look at it. This is how the airport looked like when people entered. They would just go to the cashier, pay for the flight, and so on. Pretty impressive, right, Maya?
Yep, I love it. It's amazing.
This is an old typer, an old phone in the office of the airport. Do not touch. Big hands. We were just an intensely full bus.
It's good. It's for free right now because it's festival, but it's terrible.
Maya said her knees got
Yeah.
sweaty.
You cannot stand there. It's so hot. You don't have like air to breathe. It's
You have no
terrible.
place to stand. You're
Yeah.
I was like pushed against the door.
Yeah,
It was
and there's
so
a
cool.
lot of kids and old people. Then you are just kind of Oh
So
my
yeah,
God.
we're gonna go downtown now and maybe find something else there.
Yep.
All right, I've never been here during the day. This is the house of blackheads where presidents come. This is a Roland statue, my brother's statue. This is the big St. Peter's Church. And there's a drinking fountain right there. This is a medieval market. They sell medieval stuff.
Grass.
Just like grass, different types of flowers that are dried out. It's pretty cool. The crusade fighters. The kids are fishing. There's a tent, a random tent. There's armor. Oh, that's cool. And here is the basketball tournament between the right shore and the left shore of Riga.
Tātad 2012. Un nākamajā dienā mēs noslēgsim visu ar politiķu spēli. Tātad tiekamies arī pavisam noteikti svētdien.
Mixmaster Raidis šobrīd pie DJ pults, vēlāk viņu nomainīs, ja precīzāk papildinās DJs Get Easy, DJ Monster, pēc gačo klipu filmēšanas DJ Root, pēc tam Feģa Pom.
This is, how would you call it, competition between companies. They're going on this water bike ride, see who goes first. Look at those ducks, they're like right in front. All right, I have to go to work.
Oh, it's so
Maya is
sad.
tired, she has to go to bed. No, not exactly.
Oh.
But so yeah, thank you for watching. Put in the comments below if your city has this kind of cool celebration, and we'll think of going there to see it.
And subscribe us.
Subscribe and click like button, thumbs up for awesome city celebration and for aviation party.
Yeah.
All right, we love you. Bye-bye.